Hello students, today in this presentation I will discuss about the various aspects of the computers like the definition, how we define computers, its characteristics, benefits and limitations of a computer and the various types of a computer. So we start with how we define a computer. A computer is defined as an electronic device that accepts input, processes it, and provides the desired output based on the instructions given to it. We can say that it follows the input, process, output cycle. A computer has four main components: the input unit, central processing unit, storage unit, and the output unit. This is the functional block diagram of a computer. The basic architecture of a computer was given by John von Neumann between 1940 to 45 while he was teaching in Princeton University, USA. And we see here in the block diagram that we have an input unit which sends the input to the central processing unit. Central processing unit and the memory unit, they have a bidirectional communication. So data and information may be exchanged between the central processing unit and the memory. The central processing unit processes the input in the desired format and provides output using the output unit. So the input unit accepts the data or information as input and converts it in the form understandable by the computer. The input may be in the form of text, image, sound, or video. Input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, camera, and many other are used to provide input. The central processing unit or the CPU is called the brain of the computer. It controls all input, processing, and output activities. It is commonly known as the processor. It performs arithmetic, logical, and controlling functions. The CPU further has two subparts: arithmetic logic unit, commonly known as ALU, and the timing and the control unit. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and or complement, and many other operations. The timing and the control unit controls the flow of data to all parts of the computer. It is a supervisory system of the computer as it provides necessary control signals and is run by the computer's main clock. Storage unit or the memory unit is used to store data and information in a computer. The memory in a computer system is subdivided in two ways: the primary and the secondary memory. The memory directly accessed by the processor, that is the processor cache, RAM or ROM, is called the primary memory, whereas the secondary memory is a term used for other storage devices like the hard disk, flash drive, CD drive, etc. And these secondary storage devices are mainly used for bulk storage. The output unit provides the processed data in the desired form as output. The output may be text, sound, image, etc. Output devices such as monitor, printer, speaker, plotter are used to provide output. Now we further discuss the characteristics of a computer. The computer has certain characteristics for which it is becoming very famous and is being used in every domain of life. So the characteristics of the computer, the first and the foremost character is the speed. Computer is a very fast device. It can execute millions of instructions per second without making any mistake. The speed of the computer is measured in megahertz. 1 hertz, which is equal to 1 cycle per second, and 1 megahertz means 1 million instructions per second. 1 gigahertz is 1 billion cycles per second. Supercomputers can operate at 1000 to 1 million times faster than the microcomputers. Accuracy is another important characteristic of a computer. Computers can perform complex tasks and provide accurate results. Once programmed, the computer provides accurate and efficient results without making any mistakes. Error may occur due to any technical problem in the computer system, or in most cases, the error occurs due to the human error. Otherwise, there is least chance of incorrect output, so which is an important feature of the computer, that it gives accurate results. Storage. A computer can store large amount of data. It has no limit on its storage capacity. The storage capacity of a computer can be increased on demand. Different storage devices like the CD, hard disk, pen drive, etc. can be attached to the computer. The following table shows various available capacities of a computer. So 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 1025 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte or 1 MB, 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 GB, that is gigabyte, is equal to 1 TB, 1 terabyte, 1024 PB is equal to 1 exabyte, 1 EB, 1024 EB is equal to 1 zettabyte, and 1024 ZB is equal to 1 yottabyte. Automatic machine. Computer is an automatic machine. That means once it is programmed and initiated, it can work automatically for hours without any human intervention. Versatile. Computers can perform a variety of tasks ranging from arithmetical and logical operations, entertainment, to complex tasks like navigation, communication, designing, simulation, etc. It can perform tasks of different nature simultaneously. Diligence. The word diligent means to be consistent. A computer can perform the task given to it consistently any number of times and give accurate results. Diligence means being constant in effort and application. Unlike human beings, computers do not suffer from boredom, tiredness, or any lack of concentration. Therefore, they are diligent as they can repeatedly perform the same task and provide accurate results every time. Another characteristic of a computer is its reliability. A computer is reliable as it can provide accurate results on different types of data. And no matter how many times the computer has to do the same task, it will provide accurate results every time, so we can rely on the computer for any kind of task. Now we switch on to the advantages of a computer. Like we have discussed the characteristics of a computer. Due to its characteristics, computer has many benefits or advantages, due to which we have adopted computer in our lives. So the first advantage of a computer that we discuss is that it speeds up our work. The use of computers has sped up the work many a times as compared to the speed of the work done by manual labor. Large storage capacity has led to automation of most file-based systems. This has led to better management, better storage, and better access of information. Computers can be connected among themselves to form a network. So that means a computer can be connected to another computer to form a network, which has enabled easy social as well as professional communication and connection over long distances using emails, video conferencing, etc. Due to reliability of computers, digitalization of every domain is possible, which has enabled many day-to-day activities like payment of bills, shopping, ticket reservation, etc. to be done using the computers, and hence saving our time. The accuracy of computer has led to their use in complex computations like scientific, geographic, and multimedia tasks. computers are widely used in education as well. The traditional classroom teaching has shifted to online teaching. Various repositories of educational resources are available online for everyone to increase their knowledge. Online courses are available for people to learn newest technologies from any university around the world. So, we have seen here that all the characteristics that we discussed of a computer have given us many advantages, due to which the acceptance of computers in every field has increased. In spite of all those advantages and its use in every field, there are certain limitations of a computer that we discuss. The computers are programmable. That means they cannot take any decisions on their own or learn from experiences like humans do. They can perform tasks according to the work they are programmed for. Hence, they cannot perform tasks outside the defined scope. So if there is any different kind of data provided on which they have never worked before, the limitation of the computer may be that you may not get accurate results, because the computer will not be able to use its experience, and make the decision on the spot like humans do. The other limitation of a computer is that it understands only machine language to execute commands, and it cannot work without electricity. So now we are discussing the various types of computers. Computers are broadly classified into three types according to the type of data processed by them. The three types are analog, digital, and hybrid. Analog computers. These computers process analog or continuous data such as temperature, voltage, speed, current, etc. They are mainly used for measurement of data. These computers mainly use capacitors and resistors. Some examples of the analog computers are thermometer, speedometer, tide predictors, operational amplifiers, mechanical integrators, and many more. These computers are slower and difficult to use as compared to the digital computer. So now we discuss the digital computer. Digital computers process digital or discrete data. They accept binary data, that is, the data in the form of zeros and ones. They consist of logic gates and electronic circuits. So digital computers mostly comprise the logic gates and the electronic circuits. They employ memory to store data. They are very fast and easy to use. General purpose computers are digital computers and are used in every domain of life. For example, entertainment, education, office work, and in every domain we can list here. The hybrid computer is a combination of both the digital and the analog computer. So it can process both analog and digital data simultaneously. It takes the analog data, converts and processes it in the digital form. A hybrid computer has features of both the analog and the digital computer. It has the accuracy of the analog computer and the speed of the digital computer. Hybrid computers are used for scientific calculations, medical diagnosis, and many other complex fields. Some applications are the gas or the petrol pump station, the nuclear plant, weather forecasting. It is used in hospitals for monitoring body statistics of a patient. Generally, the computers are classified as analog, digital, and hybrid, but the classification of computer can also be done according to the size of the computer, and as per the size of the computers, they are classified as supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, microcomputers, personal computers, workstations, server, palm top, laptop, etc. Classification of computers is also done according to the purpose of use, and they are classified as general purpose computers and special purpose computers. General purpose computers are computers that can do any routine task. The computers that we are using in our daily routine are the general purpose computers. They can perform more than one kind of a task. Like, we may be listening to the music and simultaneously typing and writing something on a word pad, and simultaneously we may be giving a print command to the printer, which may be printing and we are typing also. So such a computer which can do different kind of tasks is a general purpose computer, and a special purpose computer is a computer designed to perform a special task like weather forecasting. These computers are may be used for scientific calculations or to study the universal changes or any chemical changes. So the computers which are defined to do certain specific tasks is a special purpose computer. So we stop here. I hope this is helpful to you all. For any further queries, you may contact me at preetidube2000 at yahoo.com. Thank you.